In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable PDF in PDFescape. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to have your document, which you want to create fillable. I just have a blank page over here to show you how it's done. Then you want to go to the Forms tab up top, which is over here in the middle. And from here, you have a bunch of different options. So as you can see, you have the Highlight Form Fields option, which will highlight all the current form fields inside your PDF. Then you have the text field, where you can basically go ahead and click, and people are going to be able to basically add some text. You can go and add checkboxes, which are basically like this. You could go ahead and make them as big as you want or as small as you want. And of course, when you uncheck this, you'll be able to click on each and every single one of them and edit them as well in case you don't like the sizes, which are set by default. You also have these radio buttons over here, which I'm also going to show you in a second. Then we have this combo box, which again, the combo box will allow you, what I'm going to show you in a few seconds here as well. You also have the list box, which I'm going to place over here. And then you have the push button, which of course is also like a button. Okay, so let me now show you what this does. Now if I go to the edit tool, I can go over here and I can right click on it and I can go to edit value list. Okay, in here I'll be able to edit the value list inside this combo box. So if I just click on here, I'm just going to do colors. I'm going to click on red, blue, we're going to also do green, and then we're gonna also do yellow. Okay, in a second here, yellow, there we go. These are gonna be the values, and I'm gonna click on OK, and you'll be able to see them in here in a few seconds. And then the same thing can be done over here. So if I go to edit value list, again, I could just do whatever I want here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So just so I can show you what this does, and then I'm gonna click OK as well. Now, all of these also have properties. So if I go to properties, there's a bunch of different things you can change over here. As you can see, like the values, you could go ahead and change the borders, the styles, stuff like that. Everything can be found over here. Now, once you've done playing with that, you could always go to the View tab, and inside the View tab, this is going to allow you to basically fill this in. So I would turn off the highlight form fields just so I can see how they're going to look like by default, and I can go here and I can just type in some text, as you can see. So whenever I save the PDF, it's going to be fillable and it's going to look like this. People are going to be able to do whatever I'm doing right now. You could go and use these check marks over here. People can check mark different things. Then we have these radio buttons here, which of course are like selections. Then you have the drop down menu, which as you can see has the items which I've added earlier, so colors. And then this one over here also has the items we've added, and you can just click on the one you want. So you've just created a fillable PDF, but then you also have this button here, which of course you can customize as well. So if you go to the right click it, and for example go to the edit tab and right click, then over here you can go ahead and insert different links or bookmarks or stuff like that, and you can customize your button that way as well. Okay, so that's basically how to create a fillable PDF in PDFescape. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.